Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be removing the HMF Performance Series exhaust by taking out that bolt, this bolt here, and if you can see it, I'll probably have to go on the other side. This bolt right here. We're going to install the Tamer's exhaust, which should be theoretically better for riding underwater. It also doesn't have any packing, so we don't have to worry about repacking or anything like that. Nothing necessarily wrong with the HMF exhaust. The only problem that I have with it is really the way it's facing, because you can see that it's facing towards the tire. And when you're backing up in the mud, I mean, it literally throws all the mud up into this exhaust, and then it just has no power. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to loosen that bolt back there. I'm going to hopefully it comes out pretty easily. I don't think it will, much like everything else. And I'll get back to you once I get that bolt loose. Alright, so I already got the nut off right here. And you can see I actually bent the clip down just a little bit. And that's because I hit the end of this right here. We have a whole new clip, so I'm not really worried about breaking it. But if you want to make this easier, you can cut this off. But I decided, just in case I want to keep it, if it's not damaged, I took a hammer and just kind of hammered it down a little bit, so that way it's kind of just wiggle loose. So you can kind of move it like that. So that way when I unbolt these two back here, in theory this should just slide right off. In theory, but we'll find out how easy it is once I actually get that far. Alright, so we got the old pipe off. For me, it wasn't terrible. Could have been a little bit easier. It's definitely stained pretty bad. But I mean, the pipe still works just good and everything. It's just big outlet, not the best thing in the world to take underwater. Doesn't idle well underwater. It's a little bit on the loud side, but as you can see, actually the head pipe right here isn't too bad. This is the stock one. I'm not doing a full installation or anything like that. We're just doing slip-on. So we're going to go ahead and throw the new pipe on there, and we'll see what she looks like, see how she sounds, see if she works with tiger tail. That's why I took it off. Wasn't sure if it was going to fit or not. But we will see and find out. One side note that I forgot to mention in the video is the HMF Performance Series exhaust will be up for sale. I'll have a link in the description if I can get it to work. It'll be on the Let Go app. I currently live towards Fairborn, Ohio. So if you look on the Let Go app for Fairborn, Ohio, you should be able to see the exhaust on there. And I'll keep the description up to date whether this exhaust is still available or not. So yeah. Alright, so we got the new exhaust on. It looks great. Fit on a lot better than I thought it would. What kind of sucks about it a little bit is it's not a what do you call it? It's not like an aluminum type of material. It feels like it's metal, or maybe it might possibly be aluminum. I don't know. We'll have to see how it holds up over time. It looks like the old exhaust, kind of similar material. But it sounds a heck of a lot better, I can tell you that right now. We'll play a sound clip for you through the GoPro. Sorry I wasn't able to actually get a sound clip for the HMF before I took it off, but I mean, it is what it is, unfortunately. But mostly because I wasn't able to get it started, but it's okay. We have a whole bunch of sound clips and stuff on the channel, so if you want to listen to what that exhaust sounds like, make sure you check out the other videos. So, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a good day and enjoy the sound clips.